Hey everybody, James from JT Performance. I run a performance workshop in Auckland, specialising in mainly GTRs, drift cars, and a bit of street cars. Might be familiar with this car, it's our R32 GTR drag car. We use it to promote our shop and what we do. The heart of the beast, Nitto 3.2 stroker, built by Hughes Race Engineering. We've been dealing with Tom from Hughes Race Engineering for quite a while. We've managed to get the packages sorted out really good. New for this event, full built head from Tom, but everything supplied from Calford cams. We've got shimless, oversized valves, their new Beehive single spring that's designed for these engines that are doing this sort of power. It's been really good to actually work with all these people around us to get all the things going like we need to. The car runs a Haltech ECU R5 and that runs everything front to back. Fuel pumps, obviously coils, injection, everything. Haltech sorts that out. We've also got a PDM that runs a lot of the four-wheel drive control, so that's very handy as well. A bit more about the engine, we have got high-pressure exhaust manifold and a billet intake manifold. Dual rail, 2400cc worth of injector, which supplies us with about just on 1300 horsepower. Precision turbo smart wastegates, and the best part about it, a pretty basic off-the-shelf Fenix radiator. Nothing serious. It's actually their slimmer core, and I use that specifically to still run the viscous fan, and we have never had a problem. Temps are always 80, 85, never see them over 92, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the reason why we don't have any cooling problems.